national weather forecast. I'm Gaviola. Thank you so much for joining me. I am filling in for Michelle Leslie, but she is on assignment, on location at Disney World, the happiest place in the world. And thankfully, the weather there in that part of Florida isn't too bad. At last check, no precipitation to report in Miami and about 24 degrees. It's a different scenario, though, as you make your way further west in that state. We've had a couple of reports of tornadoes there, and we are currently seeing thunderstorm activity and through Florida as well as Atlanta and Georgia. This same system stretches a very long distance further north. Oh, here we go. Canada. Yeah, it is affecting a broad swath of Ontario, bringing with it lots of messy precipitation. We can currently pick out a very strong line along the warm front, and some areas are going to be seeing extended periods of freezing rain. I'm talking about Gatineau over towards Sudbury, North Bay. And you know what? The nation's capital, you are included in the freezing rain warning, but currently temperatures are above zero, so a little bit of good news. You're seeing that precipitation falling as rain at the moment. On the other side of the river, however, in Gatineau, seeing freezing rain. And yeah, you will be dealing with that if you're heading out to Winterlude. It is the final weekend. Nice conditions, though, in terms of the mild weather, so you don't have to bundle up as you go from location to location. So there's the silver lining on that storm cloud. We have stormy weather to the north. So Sault Ste. Marie over towards Timmins, you could get 20 centimeters of snow. Ooh, keep those shovels handy. Lots of snow in your forecast as well. Parts of Quebec, again, 20 centimeters the scenario there. And we have wind warnings, so very gusty conditions shaping up. Here's a quick look. The snowfall forecast, yeah, heaviest amounts right here. So the Sioux, Wawa, please exercise caution. You're going to be heading out onto the roadways. The roadways are likely to be very slick thanks to this band right here of freezing rain extending from Montreal up towards Quebec City through the evening, the overnight hours. Please do be careful. Now through the overnight, it's really around the shores of the Fundy that we're going to be watching. This is likely to be mixed precipitation, but you could see some patchy freezing rain thrown in there as well. By the time Monday rolls around, it'll be very mild, about 9 degrees in the city of Halifax. So you'll be dealing with rain, quite a lot of it, raining cats and dogs at times, or buckets. We're looking at in the neighborhood of 20 to 40 millimeters of rain for the Atlantic provinces. Some areas in Newfoundland locally, you could get, 50 millimeters of rain. And very strong wind gusts gusting upwards of 100, 120 kilometers, Cape Breton Island. Blowing wind will be a huge factor for you if you're going to be traveling in southern Manitoba. Now, the worst conditions will be down towards the border with the U.S. At times, visibility will be reduced to less than 1 kilometer, so please be aware of that if you're getting behind the wheel. Let's zoom across the country with a look at your current fronts. High pressure in place for British Columbia. Clear skies, lovely weather to be found in western Canada. Stormy conditions in southern Manitoba, pushing into northwestern Ontario, and a big storm in store for you, Ontario, as well as much of eastern Canada. I'll let you know about Atlantic Canada in a moment. Your look at weather news for this hour. Stay with us. Just ahead, we have your local highway conditions, as well as a look at what to expect on the slopes with your ski and snowboard conditions. And to report active weather, call us at 1-800-463-9463. Stay with us.